Welcome to English for Beginners, Unit 8, Common English Idioms. You're watching learnenglish.i.a.s. I am Imamali Safari. Idiom 1. Got cold feet. Got cold feet. It means to get cold feet. It means to have a sudden lose of confidence. Example: Tamsin got cold feet about giving a presentation to the sales team. Idiom 2. Feeling under the weather. Feeling under the weather, it means to feel unwell, sick, or ill. To feel under the weather, it means to feel unwell, sick, or ill. Example: Susan is feeling under the weather today. I think she should go home. Idiom 3. Head over the heels. Head over heels. Head over heels, it means completely and utterly in love with someone. Example: Ben and Rachel are head over the heels in love with each other. Idiom 3. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. It means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or a problem. Example: You are so right about Jim. He's really lazy and you have hit the nail on the head. Idiom 4. Lend a hand. Lend a hand. This idiom means to help someone with something. Example: Can I lend a hand carrying these papers for you? Next idiom: on the ball. On the ball. On the ball, it means alert, knowledgeable, or competent. Competent. Example: I'm so tired today. I'm really not on the ball. I'm really not on the ball. Heard on the grapevine. Heard on the grapevine. It means to hear information or news through a gossip or rumor. I heard on the grapevine that Danielle and Amina are getting married. Next idiom is against the clock. Against the clock. Hamid is working against the clock to finish his report this week. This idiom means under the time pressure to get something done. Next idiom: a pain in neck. A pain in the neck. A pain in the neck, it means to nauseous, annoying, or difficult. A neck in the pain, it means what? Annoying or difficult. Example: Dylan is being so naughty today. He is a pain in the neck. The next idiom is keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. It means to take care of or watch carefully. I am looking for someone to keep an eye on my house while I'm on vacation. Next idiom: has a heart of gold. The heart of gold, it means to be kind and good natured. Leo has a heart of gold. He always helps his grandma with his shopping. On the fence. It means to be unwilling to commit or make a decision. I don't know who to vote for yet. I'm still on the fence. The next idiom is teacher's pet. Teacher's pet, it means someone who seeks and gets approval from a person in position of authority. Mariam is a teacher's pet. She always arrives early and works very hard. The next idiom is cut corners. Cut corners, it means to do something the easiest or shortest way, at the expense of high standards. If you cut corners to finish a project on time, the quality will suffer. Next idiom is take with pinch of salt. This idiom means to not completely believe something or someone. You can't believe all their stories. Take them with a pinch of salt. The next idiom is face the music. It means to confront the consequences of your action. For example, I have to face the music and tell Julia that I broke her new vase. The next idiom is over the top. Over the top. This idiom means an overreaction or the lack of restraint. It means an overreaction or a lack of restraint. Example, I didn't mean to offend Louisa, but I think her reaction was over the top. The next idiom is let your hair down. Let your hair down. Let your hair down, it means to let yourself go, relax. You to really let your hair down at the Sunita's party last night. The next idiom is pull your leg. Pull your leg, it means pull someone's leg. It means to tease or fool someone. I haven't really won the lottery. I was just pulling your hair. I haven't really won the lottery. I was just pulling your leg. The next idiom is let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag, it means to tell a secret to someone who shouldn't know about it. I'm planning a surprise party for Joe. Don't let the cat out of the bag. And thank you very much. It was the lesson for today. I hope you enjoy the idioms and use the idiom in your daily conversation and enjoy from your speaking.